Hello and welcome to this tutorial on upgrading the firmware of multiple FortiGate firewall across different locations using FortiManager. First, log in into the FortiManager web portal using your administrator credential. Now navigate to Device Manager and open the Firmware tab. Review the current firmware version of all managed FortiGate device and identify the firewall that requires a firmware upgrade. Before proceeding, verify the supported upgrade path and backup the configuration of each firewall. Now select the required FortiGate device and click the upgrade button. The upgrade firmware window will appear. Choose the required firmware version from the available firmware image. Configure the firmware upgrade schedule or start the upgrade immediately. Then click OK to begin the upgrade process. The firmware upgrade has started successfully and FortiManager begins downloading and installing the selected firmware. Monitor the firmware upgrade progress through the task monitor until all the upgrade tasks are completed successfully. The firmware upgrade has completed successfully. Finally, verify all FortiGate firewall are online, running the firmware version and successfully connected to FortiManager. This completes the firmware upgrade process using FortiManager. Thank you for watching.